Hey friends, if you cannot find the recycle bin on your Windows computer, then do not panic. Simply watch this video. I will guide you through two resolutions only. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select themes. Now scroll down and then click on desktop icon settings and you'll find this box unchecked here. If it is, then check it. Click on apply and then click on OK and the recycle bin will be back. Now this is one solution. The second solution is an SFC scan. Though in 99.9% cases the first solution will do the job, but if it doesn't, then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.